Hey everybody, this is Amit Kumar and you're watching Prince Tech Solutions. Welcome back. In today's session, I'm going to show you something different in Tableau. I'll show you how to write complex expressions by using calculated fields. So friends, normally when we write an expression, we used to you follow calculated field, right? So in the calculated field, normally we use the expression by using sum, count and other different aggregation function. However, if you want to use a conditional calculated field by certain scenario, by using certain scenario, how do you perform it? In this video we're going to cover the same. Okay, let's say I have this is a table box which you can see over here. Now I have a lot of medallions here. Then the respective columns are here. I just want to read a particular data. Let's say I want to create a calculated field which will return me the sum of data, but excluding a particular sky miles tire. Okay, there are a lot of sky miles tire over here. Now let's say I will exclude silver medallion and include all other tires to aggregate this data. Okay, so basically I'll make an aggregation of this particular field 2019 REV, where tires, among the tires only silver medallion will be excluded. Alright, so let me write this. If I write a simple calculated field, how do I write? I can simply write it over here. Let's say I'll click on this 2020. I just want to, let's say I just want to read this one 14,000. Okay, or I want to sum of all the data except 14,000. How can I do this? Let's see. Okay, I'll just create a calculated field over here. In order to create a calculated field, I'll just click over here, right click, create a calculated field. Okay, now let me just name it 2022 without silver medallion. Okay, say let's say I'll just give this short name 2020 rave without silver. That means this data will be excluded. Okay, now if I make it sum simply like this, what it will return? Sum of REV 2022, right? So this will return this much. Okay, because there's a grand total. So let's apply this first. In order to taste this, I'll just create a new sheet and I'll drag this one. Okay, and make it discrete. Your value is exactly matching with this 86,790. All right, this is what it is. But if I will exclude silver medallion data, I'll exclude this one. What will be the total? Then if you need to exclude a particular tire, then you need to apply a conditional calculation. In order to write a conditional calculation, we have to use if else conditions. Okay, so since we are doing aggregations, it is not going to be a simply it is not going to be a simple if else, because we are going to aggregate the data. We have to use sum if. Okay, so normally in Tableau we write the if else condition is like if condition then statement, but this if else condition is little bit different. Why? Because the data is getting aggregated. So over here, just edit this one and go for it. Here inside sum only we have to use the if else condition. So this is what we call as sum if. Sum if First of all, I have to check the dimension. Sky miles tire is not equal to silver medallion. Okay, the spelling has to be correct, otherwise it might not work. So I will ensure the spelling is correct. Silver. Okay, absolutely fine. Now, after if, I have to use then. So the condition in applying is in such a way that if inside the sum, if this sky miles tire is not equal to silver medallion, then this much. Else you need to apply 0 and finally end the statement. Okay, just read it once again. Sum, the parenthesis is started and ending here. Inside the sum, instead of writing a simple expressions, we have used the conditional expressions. So it is sum if this attribute is not equal to silver medallion, then this much, else 0. So it is going to consider all the data except silver medallion. Let's see. Okay, now I just added that particular field into this sheet just to cross check this data. Now you see the data has been reduced. Earlier it was 86,790. However, now it has been reduced to 72,790. Okay, just because the 14,000 has been reduced from this total value and rest of other attributes has been used for the aggregations. So this is what we call as conditional calculated field by using SUMIF function in Tableau. I hope you have liked this video. If yes, please give a thumbs up to motivate us and stay connected. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.